Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by creating the project and importing assets so you can work quickly. Open Watch Face Studio, pick the device profile, and set the canvas to your watch resolution. Once done, import PNG or SVG files into clearly named folders like background, hands, and complications to avoid confusion later. Make sure to lock aspect ratio and confirm image alignment. This prevents scaling issues when you test. These initial steps ensure your design matches the target hardware and saves rework down the line. You now assemble layers and define motion so the watch face behaves correctly. Add base layers, place hour, minute, and second hands, and insert complications where needed. Once placed, set pivot points precisely at the hand base and group elements to preserve relative positions during animation. Next, create keyframe animations for transitions or ambient effects, adjusting easing and duration to keep motion natural. After each change, preview in the emulator so you can immediately correct timing or alignment problems. You finish by exporting and validating the face across environments so it works for users. Export as an APK or package, pick optimized asset compression, and deploy to the emulator first. Once it runs, install on a physical watch to confirm touch interactions, complications, and ambient mode behavior. If something breaks, check pivot points, layer order, and image resolutions, and monitor memory use. These are the usual culprits. Make one change at a time, retest, and repeat until behavior matches expectations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.